grab mo na agad yung ukulele mo and make sure na nawala ito sa tono. Welcome and thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aidhel Keigh and I do Christian praise and worship song covers and tutorials on ukulele. For today's video is a ukulele tutorial of the praise song Tagumpay by Victory Worship. And without further much ado, let's get started. Grab na your ukulele and make sure that it is in standard tuning of G, C, E, A. For this song, we're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 easy chords. Okay? Easy lang naman. 6 lang naman. You know? If you already knew these chords, you can skip the strumming pattern. But for the beginners, isa-isahin natin ulit yung mga chords na yan. First chord is F. Index finger sa second string ng first fret. Middle finger sa fourth string ng second fret. And that is the F chord. And next, A minor. Huwag mong aalisin sa F. Alisin mo yung index finger mo and that is A minor. Next is the G chord. Index finger sa third string ng second fret. Middle finger sa first string, second fret pa rin yan. And then your ring finger sa second string ng third fret. That is G chord. Okay. Next is D minor. Index finger sa second string ng first fret. Middle finger sa fourth string ng second fret. Parang F siya, lalagyan mo lang. Idadagdag mo lang tong ring finger sa third string, second fret pa rin yan. And that is D minor. Next is the C chord. Very easy. Third fret, first string, put your ring finger. Next is F minor. Okay. Fourth string, first fret, index finger, lagay mo doon. Then next is middle finger, second string, first fret pa rin yan. And then your pinky sa C string. Sa C chord. Dito, sa third fret, first string. Kasi di ba ito yung C? And then, dadagdag mo lang itong index and then middle dyan. But since ako, hindi ko masyadong abot yan, kaya ginagamit ko si pinky. Diba? Index sa fourth string, first fret. Middle, second string, first fret pa rin yan. And then your pinky or ring finger, kung abot mo, dito sa third fret, first string. That is F minor. For the strumming pattern, ang gagamitin natin is yung island strumming pattern, the island strum, which is yung down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Ba't ba tumutunog pa rin? Down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Tapos tingnan natin sa F. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. For the beginners, pag a little bit slower, down, down, up, down, up. Ang ginagamit ko pang strum is itong nail ng index finger and then the fleshy part sa kabila. Pwede rin naman kayong gumamit ng ganyan para nails ng index finger and then nails ng thumb, no? Ganyan. But ako, ito lang talaga. Ito lang. Okay? For the intro, ang chord progression is F, A minor, G. Pag nakita mo yung bracket, ibig sabihin maghahati sila sa strumming pattern. Okay? Breakdown muna natin. First chord is F, down, down, up, down, up. And then A minor, 2 down strums, down, down, and then G, down, down. Okay? Ulitin mo yan ng 4 times bago tayo makapasok sa verse. So, again, F, down, down, up, down, up. A minor, down, down. G, down, down. And then, balik sa F, down, down, up, down, up. A, and then G. Okay? Tatandaan mo yung intro na yan. Because I believe maggamit pa natin yan mamaya as interlude. Okay? So, without me having to say the chords and strumming pattern, this should sound like this, the intro. Papasok na tayo niyan sa ating verse. Okay? First chord sa verse is D minor. Down, down, up, down, up. And then, lipat ka agad sa F. Tatanggalin mo lang yung ring finger. So, tingnan nyo. Look here. Look up. Look here. Huwag ka munang tumingin sa ukulele mo, no? Coming from D minor, angat mo si ring finger, F na siya. And then, angat mo si index, A minor na siya. So, again, D minor, down, down, up, down, up. Angat si ring finger, F. Down, down, up, down, up. Angat si index, A minor. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Yes, kapag may tuldok, twice ng strumming pattern. Okay, again, D minor, sa gitna ng dilim. Down, down, up, down, up. F, angat si index, si ring finger. Down, down, up, down, up. And then lipat sa G. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Twice, ha? Tatandaan kapag may dot or tuldok, twice ng strumming pattern. And then, A minor, down, down, up, down, up. G, down, down, up, down, up. Again, A minor, down, down, up, down, up. G, down, down, up, down, up. A minor, down, down, up, down, up. G, down, down, up, down, up. And then C, may tuldok, so twice ng strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So, without me having to say the chords and strumming pattern, this should sound like this. Sa sigaw ng alon di mangangamba, sa gitna ng dilim di ako mag-isa. Hindi matatakot, hindi matitinan, pagkat ikaw, O Diyos, ang aking pag-asa. And then, diretso ka na nun sa chorus. If gusto mo na mas bilisan pa yung beat, pwede naman. Ginawa ko lang tong video na to as a beginner-friendly, mga Sibs. So, kung sa palagay mo nababagayan ka dun sa beat, adjust ka na lang ng konti pang bilis. Like, sisigaw ang hindi mangangamba, sa gitna ng dilim di ako mag-isa. It's up to you, ha? Basta, ginawa ko lang siya para makasabay yung ating mga beginners. Okay? Then, next is yung chorus. First chord sa chorus is the G chord. Okay? As you can see dyan sa screen, lahat ng may dot or tuldok, ibig sabihin, twice ng strumming pattern. So, sa G, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And then, lipat sa F, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. G, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And then F, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. D minor, down, down, up, down, up. C, down, down, up, down, up. F, down, down, up, down, up. G, down, then D minor. Dito sa last part na to, idudugtong mo na yung ating intro or yung magiging interlude. So, sa D minor, down, down, up, down, up. Dudugtong mo na yung A minor G na tig-2 strum. Down, 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 down. Okay? Sandigan ko, down, up, down, up. A minor, G. Tapos balik ka na sa F. Yun yung interlude na gagamitin natin. So, 4 times mo ulit yung gagamitin and then ulitin mo na ulit yung verse. Demo ko muna. Without me having to say the chords and strumming pattern, the chorus should sound like this. Wala nang hahanapin pa. Ano yan mga Sibs? Kung susundan natin yung kung gagayahin natin yung original, kasi yung first chorus nila is parang ginawa nilang parang mellow, mabagal, 'di ba? Parang wala nang hahanapin pa. Tapos pagkat o Diyos sapat ka na. Pag-ibig mo, tulungan ko, pangako mo, sandigan ko. Ako sabi pa rin, sabay-sabay sa sigaw ng ganon. So, parang ginagaya natin yung yung original. So, basta, sa second chorus, mag-i-strum ka na nun. Wala nang hahanapin pa. Pagkat o Diyos sapat ka na. Wala nang hahanapin pa. Pagkat o Diyos sapat ka na. Yeah. Pag-ibig mo, tulungan ko, pangako mo, sandigan ko. Sa second chorus na nag-strum na tayo, inulit natin yung first and second line. And ganun pa rin naman yung chords ng mga Sibs. But yung last line, para makapunta tayo sa bridge, yung sa sandigan ko, instead of D minor, ginawa siyang C. Sandigan ko. As mellow lang yung pag-strum. Down, down. Kasi papunta tayo sa bridge. Sa bridge kasi first chord doon ay C. Down, down, up, down, down. Coming from the chorus, no? So, parang, magiging parang interlude, mini interlude siya. And then, pasok kayong narito na, ang tagumpay ay narito na. So, ang mangyayari dyan, C, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And then, F minor, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, and then G. Tapos, narito na, again, narito na, up, down, up, and then C. Narito na, I believe the bridge, uulitin siya ng mga 6 times. And then, bago ka babalik ng chorus. So, pang 6th time, yung pattern na C, F minor G, C, F minor C. Papalit-palitin lang yun eh. And then, pang 6 times, dapat mag-e-end ka sa C. Ang tagumpay ay narito na. Tapos, isang bagsak sa G. Wala nang hahanapin pa. Ganun lang yan, Sibs. So, So, I hope na gets nyo. Kung meron ka hindi naintindihan, pwede mong i-rewind or pwede mo namang bagalan. So, ayun. Demo pa natin sa bridge, coming from the bridge, papunta ulit sa pang last na chorus na. Which is kasi sa last chorus, uulitin natin yung first and second line. And then, sa another ulit, yung last, third and last line. So, para mas maintindihan nyo, no? Without me having to say anything, they should sound like this. Coming from the bridge, ano? Narito na, ang tagumpay ay narito na, narito na, ang tagumpay ay narito na, narito na, ang tagumpay ay narito na, narito na, ay narito na, ang tagumpay ay narito na. Wala nang hahanapin pa, pagkat o Diyos sapat na. Wala nang hahanapin pa, wala nang hahanapin pa, pagkat o Diyos sapat na. Oh yeah, pag-ibig mo, tulungan ko, pangako mo, pag-ibig mo, tulungan ko, pangako mo, sandigan ko. Ganon, babalik ka sa interlude mo o yung intro. So, magtatapos ka sa F. And that's it. All the chords, the strumming patterns that you need to know para i-play ang Tagumpay by Victory Worship. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do click that subscribe button. Also that bell icon for you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And kung meron ka mga comments, suggestions, requests, comment down below. And I think that's it for today's video, mga Sibs. I hope na may natutunan ka sa ating ukulele tutorial for today. Always remember that worship where God isn't moved by the quality of our voice, but the condition of the heart. Let your light shine so others may see through the dark. Love and light to you!